Good morning, Manay Tunet and Dato Nying. My best wishes on your wonderful and great anniversary, 50 years. May the good Lord bless and keep you, whether near or far away. May you find that long-awaited golden day today. May your troubles all be small ones, and your fortune 10 times 10. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. Congratulations, Dato Nying, Manay Tunet, and thank you so much for the gift of your friendship and for being a good model of husband and wife, despite all the difficulties and problems you have gone through or you have been through. Salamat sa inyong pamilya for congratulations man sa inyong mga aki na ngunya nakikisumaro sa inyong kaugmahan to asin sa mga kapinsanan, mga bisita na yang ngunyan, and I wish kaibanan mi kamo sa inyong celebration ngunyan. But at any rate, I just would like to let you know that we are one with you in spirit, and I will always treasure those good example, those beautiful memories that we had together. Sana padagos nindo ang sa inyong misyon sa inyong buhay. Thank you, Giselle. Thank you, Michelle. I'm sorry, Myra. Yeah, Maya ka pala dyan. But you are closer to us now. And sa inyong mga pamangkin, sa kuya mga pamangkin, hindi ko na mapapangaran ng gabos. Si Ocean, si Sky, si Red, saka si Matua. Anyway, thank you so much and more blessings sa inyo. Wish you joy, happiness, till we meet again. God bless you po.